Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background in Leonardo AI. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Leonardo AI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now on your screen, you can see options like Home, Models, Create, My Library and more. Go to My Library. Now look for the image that you want to remove the background of. Tap on it, then you're gonna see a bunch of icons right above your username. Go ahead and select the fifth icon there. Then a menu will appear from the bottom of your screen where it's written Remove Background for 2 tokens. Tap on that option. Then in a couple seconds, Leonardo AI will remove the background from the photo that you just chose. And guys, that's it. That's how you remove background on Leonardo AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.